In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your WordPress site using Elementor by adding a clickable phone icon. This can be incredibly useful for improving user interaction, especially for mobile visitors who might want to reach out to you directly. Let's dive right into the process. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress account. Once you're in, head over to the Pages section, which is a hub for all the content you've crafted or started working on. Here, you'll find a listing of all the pages available on your site. Select the one you'd like to modify, perhaps a contact page or any other page where adding a phone icon would make sense. Next, you will need to bring in the power of Elementor, a popular page builder that lets you design and customize pages with ease. To do this, click on Edit with Elementor. You'll notice a neat and comprehensive dashboard pop up, providing you with the tools and widgets you need to craft the perfect page. With Elementor open, it's time to locate the Widgets tab. This is where you find various drag and drop components that can be added to your page for enhanced functionality and aesthetics. It's quite straightforward to navigate as everything is categorized for easy access. Now, use the search feature within the Widgets tab to find the Social Icons widget. This widget is specifically designed to add social media and communication icons on your page quickly. Drag this widget onto your page where you want the icon to appear. This might be a header, a footer, or right alongside other contact information, any place where it won't interrupt the overall design flow but still stays noticeable. Once the Social Icons widget is in place, it's time to customize it by adding a new icon item. To do this, open the icon library where you will find a wide array of icons. Search for a phone icon, which is often represented by an old school handset or a modern mobile phone. Selecting the right icon is crucial as it should be easily recognizable for visitors looking to contact you. After choosing the icon, you'll need to make it active by linking it to a phone number. This is done using the tel prefix followed by the phone number you wish to be dialed when the icon is clicked. For instance, tel tos 1234567890 would enable users to tap the icon and initiate a call directly from their device. With the phone icon now active and relevantly placed on your page, review all your changes and make sure everything looks and works as expected. Once satisfied, hit the Publish button to make your edits live. And there you have it, an accessible and visually appealing way for visitors to connect with you just a click away. That's all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, you can enhance your site's functionality and improve user engagement seamlessly. Thanks for watching and happy editing.